Disassembly line, Narwhal Schuylkill. How do you disassemble this? It comes with a wee little wrench, doesn't it? So you only have to use the wrench. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. But people struggle. They say, Hamish, explain to us, how do you use this wrench? Well, you take off the cap if you want to. What about nib and feed? You hold them like this. Squeeze them between your index finger and thumb and take them out. Got a little bit of spillage there. It's okay, it's not a big deal. Take a tissue. Should have already hit that. Dry it off. Now any ink coming out of the pen. There we go. It's quite a lot of it, isn't it? Quite a lot of it. There we go. Okay, now here's what you do. You take the little wrench, keep it to the side. Unscrew this part. Now in my case, a little little ring came off. It's okay. Take the wrench. It doesn't fit. Why doesn't it fit? Because you're using it wrongly. Look at the little slots. There's little slots there. The wee little wrench fits in perfectly if you use it correctly. Now, here's the thing. Left loosey, tighty righty. But because of the way you use this, that doesn't work, does it? So, instead of turning it to the left, which tightens it, you turn it to the right. And the whole assembly comes out. Put on a little bit of silicone grease right there. Don't fiddle with it. Leave it like this. And when you're done, put it back in. And now you start turning to the left. A little bit of pressure on it. Turn to the left, 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 left. Done. Take the nib and feed, put in a little crook of your finger there, put your thumb in it so you don't misalign anything. Screw it in. And keep screwing till everything is done. Cap the pen. Put it away. Have yourself a little bit of haggis.